Hey, hello guys, this is Motor Speaker. How are you doing? So, we just reached a place called Cave Coffee Day. So, this is actually a short ride. So we just park here the bikes. Isn't the bike looks sexy? All the bikes. Can you see? So last time I rode with these friends. Last time I rode an r15v3. So which is my friend's bike. So now even this rs200 is also my friend's bike. So hey guys, this is me. So hope you like today's video. That's it for now. If you like the video, guys, wait a minute. I forgot to say something that I recently bought a new helmet called axor venomous helmet. It was good looking and hot looking, so I bought it. So it has many features, spoiler and anti-fogging area on the visor. It is so good, and as my helmet is new, you guys did not see my motor vlog like while we are going to Cave Coffee Day in this ride, because the reason was I did not stick the mounts to the which we put to the helmet chain area. So I'll surely show you guys for next ride. So yeah, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button below. You can also comment about this vlog, and please don't forget to share with anyone. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more vlogs like this. And don't forget to wear helmet for safety always. And spread love and peace. Thank you.